Welcome to Body Fit Flicks. Today, we're diving into a topic that doesn't get nearly enough attention but is absolutely vital for anyone navigating life over 50. Let's talk about something deeply personal yet universally human: masturbation and how it impacts your body and mind as you age. If you've ever wondered how habits like self-pleasure fit into the narrative of aging gracefully, this is the video for you. Guided by research and insights from leading experts in geriatrics, sexual health, and psychology, we're here to break the stigma and uncover the real science behind it. Because let's be honest, aging is a natural process, and our conversations about health and well-being should evolve with it. So grab a cup of tea, settle in somewhere comfortable, and let's explore this together. By the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of how self-care, including sexual health, contributes to overall vitality and quality of life as we age. Let's start by acknowledging a fundamental truth: our bodies are in a constant state of change. For women, menopause often marks a significant transition. The drop in estrogen isn't just a hormonal shift, it's a cascade of effects that ripple through the body. Vaginal dryness, reduced libido, and even changes in mood or energy levels are common. But what many people don't realize is that these changes aren't just inconveniences. They're signals from the body, reminders that our needs evolve as we age. For men, the decline in testosterone can be equally transformative. Testosterone isn't just about sexual function. It plays a role in maintaining muscle mass, bone density, and even cognitive clarity. When these levels dip, it can affect everything from sexual response to emotional resilience. But here's the good news: these shifts, while natural, don't have to define your experience of aging. In fact, understanding and adapting to them can open doors to newfound vitality. This is where masturbation, a practice as old as humanity itself, comes into play. Far from being a taboo or frivolous act, self-pleasure is a cornerstone of holistic health, especially as we navigate the later chapters of life. Let's unpack this, layer by layer, to appreciate its full significance. Think of your body as a finely tuned machine. Just as regular exercise keeps your muscles strong and your heart healthy, sexual activity, including masturbation, plays a role in maintaining your reproductive and pelvic health. Studies have consistently shown that masturbation enhances circulation, which is critical not just for sexual function but for overall tissue health. For women, increased blood flow to the pelvic region helps maintain vaginal elasticity, reducing the risk of conditions like vaginal atrophy, which affects nearly half of postmenopausal women. For men, regular stimulation supports erectile health by promoting blood vessel flexibility, which can stave off challenges like erectile dysfunction. But the benefits don't stop there. Masturbation also acts as a natural hormone regulator. When you engage in self-pleasure, your body releases a cocktail of feel-good chemicals: endorphins, oxytocin, and dopamine. Endorphins are your body's built-in painkillers, offering relief from everything from chronic discomfort to everyday aches. Oxytocin, often called the love hormone, fosters feelings of calm and connection, counteracting stress and anxiety. Dopamine, the reward chemical, boosts mood and motivation, which can be especially valuable during life transitions that might leave you feeling adrift. And let's not overlook sleep. If you've ever struggled with insomnia, common as we age, the post-orgasm release of prolactin, a hormone associated with relaxation, can be a game changer. Imagine winding down after a long day with a natural, chemical-free way to ease into restful sleep. It's like giving your body permission to reset, both physically and mentally. Aging often brings profound emotional shifts. Retirement, empty nesting, or the loss of loved ones can create a vacuum of loneliness or uncertainty. For many, these transitions are accompanied by a sense of losing control over their bodies, their routines, or their identities. This is where masturbation becomes more than a physical act. It's an emotional anchor. By engaging in self-pleasure, You're reaffirming your autonomy. It's a private declaration that your body is still yours to enjoy, regardless of age. This act of self-care can combat feelings of invisibility or irrelevance that society sometimes imposes on older adults. Think of it as a daily ritual, akin to meditation or journaling, where you reconnect with your needs and desires. Moreover, masturbation can be a powerful tool against depression and anxiety. Sexual arousal and orgasm activate the brain's limbic system, which governs emotions. This process can disrupt negative thought patterns, offering a temporary reprieve from worry or sadness. Over time, this can build emotional resilience, helping you approach life's challenges with greater equanimity. Let's address the elephant in the room: societal attitudes toward aging and sexuality. From movies to marketing, sexuality is often portrayed as the domain of the young. Older adults are either desexualized, relegated to roles of grandparents or wise mentors, or subjected to jokes about dirty old men or cougars. These stereotypes aren't just harmless humor. They reinforce the myth that sexual desire has an expiration date. But here's the truth. Sexual health is a lifelong journey. Just as you wouldn't abandon a nutritious diet or stop exercising at 50, there's no reason to neglect your sexual well-being. Pioneering research from institutions like the Kinsey Institute underscores that sexual activity, including masturbation, remains prevalent and meaningful well into older adulthood. In fact, a 2018 study published in the journals of gerontology found that over 60% of adults aged 65 to 74 reported engaging in sexual activity, with many citing emotional closeness and stress relief as key motivators. The challenge lies in shifting the narrative. By openly discussing topics like masturbation, we normalize them. Imagine a world where older adults feel empowered to ask their doctors about sexual health without shame, or where retirement communities offer resources on intimacy. This isn't a pipe dream, it's a movement already gaining traction among progressive health advocates. Of course, aging often brings physical limitations. Arthritis, reduced mobility, or chronic conditions like hypertension can make self-pleasure seem daunting. But with a little creativity and self-compassion, these challenges can be navigated. For women experiencing vaginal dryness, a common side effect of menopause, hydration is key. Water-based lubricants are a must, but don't shy away from experimenting with different brands or formulas. Silicone-based options last longer, while hybrid lubes offer a balance. For added comfort, consider incorporating vaginal moisturizers into your routine, which can be used regularly to maintain tissue health. Men dealing with erectile changes might explore toys designed for penile stimulation. Products like vibrators or tension rings can enhance sensation without relying solely on traditional methods. And for anyone with joint pain or limited mobility, positioning is everything. Prop yourself up with pillows, explore side-lying positions, or invest in ergonomic aids like wedge cushions designed for sexual comfort. If you have cardiovascular concerns, consult your doctor. While masturbation is generally safe for most people, those with severe heart conditions may need to adjust intensity. The key is communication. A brief conversation with your healthcare provider can offer peace of mind and tailored advice. For those in relationships, masturbation isn't a replacement for intimacy, it's a complement. When partners openly discuss their solo practices, it fosters transparency and reduces pressure. Imagine a couple in their 60s exploring mutual masturbation as a way to connect without the physical strain of intercourse. This isn't just about pleasure, it's about adapting and growing together. For widows, divorcees, or those choosing solitude, masturbation offers a way to honor your body's needs without dependency on a partner. It's a reminder that your sexuality is yours to define, regardless of relationship status. At its core, masturbation is an act of self-respect. It's a refusal to buy into the myth that aging diminishes your worth or vitality. By prioritizing your sexual health, You're sending a powerful message. Every phase of life deserves curiosity, joy, and care. Consider the story of Margaret, a 68-year-old retiree who rediscovered her sexuality after decades of prioritizing her career and family. Through trial and error, she learned to embrace lubricants, explore erotica, and even join online communities discussing senior sexual health. Her journey wasn't just about physical pleasure, it was about reclaiming a part of herself she'd long neglected. Or take James, a 72-year-old widower who found that masturbation helped him process grief and reconnect with his body after losing his spouse. For him, it became a ritual of self-compassion, a way to honor his past while embracing the present. We've covered a lot today, but this is just the beginning. Sexual health is a vast, evolving field, and your curiosity is your greatest asset. If you're unsure where to start, begin with small steps. Set aside time for self-exploration without judgment. Experiment with tools or techniques that pique your interest. And most importantly, listen to your body. It's wiser than you might think. Before we wrap up, we'd love to hear from you. What questions do you have about aging and sexual health? Is there a topic you'd like us to explore in a future video? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Your input helps us create content that truly matters to you. And if you're intrigued by the science of sexual vitality, don't miss our deep dive into essential vitamins and nutrients that support sexual health after 60. Discover how simple dietary changes can enhance circulation, hormone balance, and energy levels. It's packed with actionable tips you won't want to miss. Thank you for joining us on this journey. If you found this video insightful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and subscribe to Body Fit Flicks for more empowering content. Stay curious, stay healthy, and remember, every part of you deserves care, love, and attention at any age. See you next time.